Okay, get him out of the way so he doesn't bite my
He's
hand.
not going to hurt you. All he's going to do is go to the water. You big chicken.
Why does he do that?
He's taking a bath.
That's how birds take a bath?
Mm-hmm. Well, he can't open his wings like he should.
I need to get him a bigger.
He needs a bigger bowl so he can open his wings, get that water underneath his wings.
Mm-hmm.
See how he fluffs up?
Whenever he gets out, that means he's telling y'all that he's done.
Mm-hmm.
He likes playing in the water.
Show his whole face on it.
Put your face in the water.
Taking a bath? Are you taking a bath? Look at your hair. Yeah, take a bath. Did you hear him say take a bath?
Can't
Taking a bath?
say take a bath.
You taking a
can
bath?
Says it all the time.
Scuttles? You taking a bath? You taking a bath?
Yeah.
Taking a bath?
Close enough. You're going to scare him out, he's not going to want to take a bath anymore.
Fine, I'll zoom in.
They're so poofy.
Wash your face.
Not like washing his face is like taking a bath. It's like taking a shower.
Take a bath? You going to take a bath?
You take a bath? Are you taking a bath? You taking a bath? What a good bird. Good bird. Good bird. You done?
I think he's done. His feathers went down. Yep. He's done.
Take a bath.
Oh my god.
God.
Take a bath.
Take a bath? You take a bath?
You
Take
take
a
a
bath.
bath. Huh? You take a bath, birdie bird. Oh, birdie bird, take a bath.
He's all wet now. He's a wet bird.
What?
And come back here.
Dust on your wings.
Take a bath?
He's a wet bird.
He was definitely one dirty bird.
Take a bath.